YouTubers. So I was doing a quest, and there was a dog stuck in here, but now he's up there. Hold on. See, now he's right there. What the fuck? So what's gonna happen if I unlock it? Alright, so it attacked me, obviously, after I unlocked the door. That was a weird glitch.